एवरीवन, नमस्कार। मेरे YouTube चैनल सिंप्लीफाइड मैथ्स में आपका स्वागत है। Today I am going to give you short summary about how I will take up the course. I'll make 2 to 4 videos per week, जिसमें 11th और 12th स्टैंडर्ड के कोर्सेज कवर करूंगी साइमल्टेनियसली। एंड आज इस वीडियो में मैं ये भी बताऊंगी कि आपको कौन कौन सी बुक्स मैथ्स के लिए रेफर करनी चाहिए स्कूल लेवल एग्जाम्स एज वेल एज कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए। So this will be the syllabus of 12th standard. Chapter 1 Relation and Functions, Chapter 2 Inverse Trigonometric Functions, Chapter 3 Matrices, Chapter 4 Determinants, Chapter 5 Continuity and Differentiability, Chapter 6 Application of Derivative, Chapter 7 Integrals, Chapter 8 Application of Integrals, Chapter 9 Differential Equations, Chapter 10 Vector Algebra, Chapter 11 3D Geometry, Chapter 12 Linear Programming, Chapter 13 Probability. मैं कोर्स सीरियलिटी से नहीं कराऊंगी। आई विल टेक कैलकुलस पार्ट फर्स्ट बिकॉज कैलकुलस पार्ट की वेटेज सबसे ज्यादा है, प्लस वो लास्ट में कराने से एकदम से प्रेशर हो जाता है। सो आई विल टेक अप लाइक दिस वे। इन पार्ट 1 I'll start continuity and differentiability, which contains 4 videos. In part 2 I'll take application of derivatives, which contains 3 videos. Part 3 integrals, which contains 5 to 6 videos. Part 4 application of integrals, which contain 2 videos. Part 6 relation and functions, containing 2 videos. Part 7 inverse trigonometric functions, containing 1 video. Part 8 matrices, containing 2 videos. Part 9 determinants, containing 2 videos. Part 10 probability, containing 3 videos. Part 11 linear programming, containing 1 video. Part 12 vector algebra, containing 2 videos. Part 13 3D geometry, containing 2 videos. Alright, now these are approximately 30 videos in total, and each video will be of 40 minutes approximately. So this will be the blueprint of 12th standard. These are the topics and these are the marks. Blue color denotes number of questions and black color denotes marks. So chapter 1 relation and functions and inverse trigonometric functions. There will be one question of 4 mark and one question of 6 mark. So total marks are 10 and number of questions from these 2 chapters will be 2. Matrices, 1 mark question will be 2 and 6 mark question will be 1. So total marks 8 and number of questions 3. From determinants, 1 mark question will be 1 and 4 mark question will be 1. So total marks 5 and number of questions 2. In continuity and differentiability, 1 mark question 1, 4 marks 2. So total 9 and 3 questions. Application of derivatives, 1 marks 1, 4 marks 1, 6 marks 1. So total 11 marks and number of questions will be 3. Integrals, 1 mark question will be 1, 4 mark question will be 3. So total 13 marks and number of questions will be 4. Application of integrals, 6 mark question 1. So total 1 question, 6 marks. Differential equation, 1 mark question will be 1, 4 marks question will be 1. So total 2 questions of 5 marks. Vectors, 1 mark question will be 1, 4 marks question will be 1. And 3D geometry, 6 marks question will be 2. So total 17 and number of questions will be 4. Linear programming, there will be 1 question of 6 marks. Probability, 1 mark question will be 2, 4 marks question will be 2. Total 10 marks and total questions 4. So in total we have 10 questions of 10 marks, and in total 4 mark questions will be 12. So total 48, and 6 marks questions will be 7. So total 42 marks. So total number of questions will be 29 and marks will be 100. So this will be the syllabus of 11th standard. Chapter 1 Sets, Chapter 2 Relation and Functions, Chapter 3 Trigonometric Functions, Chapter 4 Principle of Mathematical Induction, Chapter 5 Complex Number and Quadratic Equations, Chapter 6 Linear Inequalities, Chapter 7 Permutations and Combinations, Chapter 8 Binomial Theorem, Chapter 9 Sequence and Series, Chapter 10 Straight Lines, Chapter 11 Conic Sections, Chapter 12 Introduction to 3D Geometry, Chapter 13 Limits and Derivatives, Chapter 14 Mathematical Reasoning, Chapter 15 Stats and Chapter 16 Probability. So I'll be making videos continuously and इसका कोई blueprint नहीं है because सब schools का अपना अलग pattern होता है. So in part 1 I'll cover sets in 2 to 3 videos. Relations and functions in part 2 contains 2 videos. In part 3, trigonometric functions containing 3 videos. In part 4, principle of mathematical induction containing 1 video. Part 5, complex number and quadratic equations containing 1 video. Part 6, linear inequalities containing 1 to 2 videos. Part 7, permutation and combinations containing 2 to 3 videos. Part 8, binomial theorem containing 1 video. Part 9 sequence and series containing 2 to 3 videos. Part 10 straight lines containing 2 to 3 videos. Part 11 conic sections containing 3 videos. Part 12 introduction to 3D geometry containing 1 video. Part 13 limits and derivatives containing 2 videos. Part 14 mathematical reasoning containing 1 video. Part 15 statistics containing 2 to 3 videos and part 16 probability containing 2 videos. So in total approximately there are 31 videos और सभी की time limit है 40 minutes. Each video will consist of 40 minutes. This course will help you in your school level exams, CBSE exams as well as competitive exams. So these are the books for school level exams. NCERT and R.D. Sharma is more than sufficient. पहले NCERT कीजिए, उसका एक एक वर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट है लिखा हुआ, प्लस टू ऑल द एग्जाम्पल्स एंड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम NCERT. उसके बाद प्रैक्टिस के लिए जाना R.D. शर्मा पे. एंड फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स NCERT and R.D. Sharma is not sufficient. These are the minimum requirements. For that you have to refer other books also and you have to solve previous year's questions also. So if you have any queries, any feedbacks, any suggestions, then you can connect with me on my Facebook page, on my Twitter account, on Instagram. And if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.